The universe. If you want to see it, simply look around you. But what about its makeup and how did it all come to be? If you want to look deeper, get yourself an X-ray telescope. Coming up, we'll look at a couple of incredible discoveries by NASA and JAXA's Xrism X-ray telescope that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned. A snapshot using your phone consists of millions of pixels. However, a revolutionary X-ray telescope called Xrism only needs 36 to capture hot space. The mission has two instruments, Resolve and Xtend, each at the focus of an X-ray mirror assembly. Resolve is a microcalorimeter spectrometer. The mission team utilized Resolve to study N132D, one of the brightest X-ray sources in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf galaxy roughly 160,000 light-years away in the constellation Dorado. This expanding wreckage, estimated to be around 3,000 years old, originated from the collapse and explosion of a star approximately 15 times the mass of the Sun. The Resolve spectrum reveals peaks of silicon, sulfur, calcium, argon, and iron, marking the most detailed X-ray spectrum ever obtained for the object. This unprecedented level of detail will facilitate reconstruction of information about the original star and its explosion. Coming up, we'll explore Xtend's remarkable discoveries, but first, let's check out our featured product spotlight. Envision maximizing your lab's potential without space limitations. The R&S MXO 5C oscilloscope brings this vision to life, offering the full power of the MXO 5 series for precise measurements in a new compact form. Designed for users with limited rack and bench space, but that require high channel density, the MXO 5C comes equipped with all of these amazing features and guarantees exceptional time and frequency measurements. With bandwidth ranging from 100 MHz to 2 GHz and a compact 2U height, it's especially designed for you to rack it and stack it. The R&S MXO 5C oscilloscope's compact design and remote control capabilities via LAN make it a versatile choice for any testing environment. Rotor & Schwartz is a globally trusted leader in high-quality solutions dedicated to ongoing innovation and customer satisfaction. For more information, visit rotor-schwartz.com/product/MXO5C today. Xrism's second instrument, Xtend, is an X-ray imager developed by JAXA. It gives Xrism a massive field of view. Xtend captured an X-ray image of Abell 2319, a rich galaxy cluster about 770 million light-years away in the northern constellation of Cygnus. It's the fifth brightest X-ray cluster in the sky and is currently undergoing a major merger event. The cluster is 3 million light-years across and highlights Xtend's wide field of view. There is so much out there to discover, and I can't wait until Xrism unravels more of the mysteries of the unknown. And when it does, you can find it right here on AAC Spotlight.